Unfortunately, we have to start with a rough topic. Out of all the things I encountered in my personal journey on Unity's version control, I must say that the account management and the dashboards associated with it were by far the most annoying. Unity's trying to unify all of their services, and somehow they managed to add a lot of confusion in how they set up and name stuff. But don't worry, I had to go through this so that you don't. And by the end of this course, I promise you'll be pretty fluent in navigating through Unity's service jungle. I would normally skip any account creation in a course like that and just let you create your own accounts. But in this case, because of the added complexity, I will go through it step by step once. So here you can see the big picture. We will need a normal Unity account that you all probably already have, but maybe you want to create another one just for this course to try out the collaboration parts. The Unity account is also referred to as Unity ID, and this ID will be used to unlock your Unity Cloud access. But more on that later. Let's first quickly create a new Unity account and you will see what I mean by additional complexity. I prepared a test user. Don't worry about the weird email, this is just because later in the course I will need 2 other test users which I created beforehand. So we give Cindy a password and name, and soon Cindy will be a proud Unity user. But only if she verifies her email. Now finally we are at the dashboard, and normally if you use Unity you don't need to care about this section, so maybe you haven't seen those settings yet. For Unity Cloud and version control we unfortunately have to understand some pieces of it to feel comfortable using it. When you take a look around here you will find the terms seats and organizations. At the very top, we can add a seat, for example. And somewhere below there is a section on organizations. So before we actually look at the details in here, we should briefly make sure we understand how Unity uses those terms.